Stop struggling with the Microsoft Entra connection expired error in Apple School Manager. We are fixing that frustrating federation loop right now. This guide cuts through the confusion to get your Entra authentication working flawlessly again. First, we access your Entra ID settings, navigate to Enterprise Apps, and pinpoint Apple School Manager. By reviewing sign-in logs, we identify those expired credentials and update the authentication method, then save and raising to confirm. If data doesn't clear the error, the issue often lies in the Federation Trust itself, which brings us to method 2. In Apple School Manager, we go to Organization Settings, check the Federation status, and re-establish the trust relationship by verifying the XAML configuration and applying updated settings to test the new connection. Still stuck? Sometimes a simple data refresh is all it takes, leading to method 3. We'll clear your browser cache, delete Entra cookies, reset Federation metadata, re-authenticate your user session, and force a sync to confirm access permissions. Finally, if the connection persists, we dive into advanced settings with method 4. This involves reviewing conditional access policies, adjusting sign-in frequency, updating user provisioning, and confirming network stability to ensure a robust and lasting solution.
I really should've known.